Hi, this is a video that is going over the plugin tool called UCat. Here we'll be going over a few things. So let's first open up the curve editor. So edit curve editor. And in editor tools, if we're opening this up, this video will be going over edit and settings, and in the other videos we'll go over simulate, normalize, splits, so the other tools that we have over here. In this one, we have tool informations here, which will give you a rundown of what this tool is capable of, how to use it, and things like that. We also have tool tips over here, if you hover over them, which will give you information, quick snippets of what their purpose is. So we can create curves in this one here, set path types, Bezier, Hermite, linear, etc. And here we can give it distant offset, we could give it a tangency offset, and left-right tangencies. Down here we have segment table. So we have table of what's in the current curve that we have, which right now we have none. So let's first create a curve. Beforehand, we can actually give it a coordinate for this one. So I can give it, say, this coordinate here, and I can hit create curve, and it'll create the points over here. So in settings, if this isn't large enough, you can either zoom in or not. We can increase the size of the segment, which is the red dot as you can see, and the size of the tangencies as well. Alright, so let's go back to edit. And right here we can create a new segment, or over here we can create a new segment down here. So up here, create a new segment. I can move this in the world coordinate right here, move it over here, or I can move it in this coordinate here. Say I want to put it all the way out over here at 435, 172, and 339, right? We can move it there, so we can move it in the hierarchy, we can move it in the world space, we can move it in the table here, which will update. Let's create another curve right here. And then let's give it a coordinates down here. Say, we want it over here. And then we can move the segment C's over there. So now we have segment A, B, and C. Let's start moving some of the tangencies. So if I go to segment B, I can move the tangencies in here. Let's say I can move this over here. This over there. And right there. So that's one way of moving the tangencies. As well, you can do the same for C, or you can go into segment C, start point over here, and move the coordinates this way. So as you can see now we have 3 segments and we have our curve. Let's add a few more in and go from there. I'm just going to do these really quick. And one more. And then tangency. So here we have our curve. We can change the curve from being Bezier to Hermite, and if you go here you can see that it changes green and gets rid of the tangencies. The changes are calculated in a different way. Let's put these back to Bezier. Alright, so that is it for the first video. Hopefully that is a good clip and will help you understand the beginning of this, how to use this tool. Stay tuned for the next video.